The first law of thermodynamics. In this video, we take a look at systems and processes in thermodynamics. Simply put, thermodynamics is the study of relationships involving heat, mechanical work, and other aspects of energy and energy transfer. We have the thermodynamic system, which is any collection of objects that is convenient to regard as one unit and that may have the potential to exchange energy with its surrounding. So you have the thermodynamic system, and then you have the surrounding. Between the surrounding and the thermodynamic system, there is the possibility of energy transfer in terms of heat and mechanical work. A process in which there are changes to the state of a thermodynamic system is called a thermodynamic process. For instance, let's say the thermodynamic system is a gas contained inside a piston system. You have a container with a piston which will serve as the surrounding for our system. If you allow heat to flow into the gas, into the system, the gas will expand and in turn it will apply work on the piston as it expands. You have heat gain and you have work done by the gas on the piston. You have thermodynamic processes happening with our system. So thermodynamic system involves basically gaining or losing heat energy and the gas applying work on the piston or the piston applying work on the gas. So you have work and heat gain and heat loss, work by the system and work on the system. So to distinguish one from the other, for example, work done by the gas or system and work done by the piston on the gas on the system. To distinguish one from the other, we have a positive negative sign convention. So you have signs for heat Q and work W. In any thermodynamic process, energy relationships are described in terms of heat Q that flows into or out of the system and the work done by or done on the system by the surrounding. First, let's look at heat Q. Q is positive when heat flows into the system. So from the surrounding, heat flows into the thermodynamic system. Q is said to be positive, whereas Q is negative when heat flows from the thermodynamic system and into the surrounding. So basically, heat gain, Q is positive, and heat loss, Q is negative. So if a problem or situation tells you that the system, the gas, for example, the heat flows out of the gas, you set you set Q to a negative value. On the other hand, work W is positive when work is done by the system on the surrounding. On the other hand, work done by the surrounding on the system, work is considered to be negative. Work is positive when work is done by the system against its surrounding, whereas work is negative when work is done on the system by its surrounding. That's it for now. In the next video, we will take a closer look at heat and work done by the system.